Hello everybody, today I have come to show you a triplex project in Patia, a premium triplex project in Patia, which is just nearby Coel campus. That is the unit which is for sale. That is only one unit which is left out for sale. So this project is just near Coel campus and it is opposite to Xavier's International School, Patia. So it is hardly 300 meters from Patia Square and 400 meters from Kit Square. So as you can see, these are the triplexes, and each triplex has its own lift. So let me tell it again. Each triplex has its own lift, and the unit which is for sale, it also has a provision for swimming pool on the top floor. So this is the unit which is for sale, and you can see the plinth is very high. And as it is under construction, I'll not be able to show you the inside of the unit, but I'll be taking you to a model triplex in which the construction has been completed, so that you can get a clear picture of that particular unit which is for sale. So each triplex is built on 1600 square feet land area and 3200 square feet built up area. So this is the model triplex which I am going to take you inside, so that you can have a clear picture about what and how this triplex is built. So this is the triplex which I'm going to take you in, and that one is for sale. That unit is for sale. So this is the model triplex which I'm going to take you inside. So now let's go inside. This is the ground floor, and this has car parking for 2 cars. You saw the garage, it was for 2 cars. So this is the ground floor. It has 2 rooms and one open kitchen and one common toilet. So this is the open kitchen. This is the view from the ground floor. It has 2 rooms, and that one over there is the toilet, common toilet. This can be converted into an office space, or else a guest room, or else a drawing room at the ground floor. So this was the first room. Just beside that, that is the second room. These rooms are very spacious rooms. You can convert it into an office space or else a guest room. So that is the common toilet for this ground floor. So that is the entrance from where we came in. This is the provision for kitchen as well. So this is the staircase which leads to the first floor. So this particular triplex doesn't have a lift facility, but that triplex which is for sale, it has a lift facility and will be given with a lift. So that is the unit which is for sale. That as construction is going on, I'm not able to show you the inside of that particular property. But this property in which we are is the same property as well. So this is the staircase from where we came in, and this is the first floor. So this first floor has 1 room and 1 open kitchen and a very spacious drawing cum dining area. So as you can see, that is the main road. The cars are going over there. That is the main road, and this over here will be opened up as a new way for the triplex project once it is completed. So as you can see, this is an open dining cum drawing area, and that is from where we came in. And this is a toilet facility given for this floor. This is the single room, and this is the kitchen. So the kitchen and the room has a common balcony. Let me take you inside the room so that you can get a clear picture. So this is the room, and that is the balcony overlooking the backside of this property. And as you can see, there are many buildings over there also at the backside of this. And this is the common entrance for the kitchen and this room, the common balcony for the kitchen and room. The kitchen is also very spacious, and the dining and drawing room is very spacious. So this is the first floor. So now let's go to the second floor. So let me tell you again, the construction area is 1600 square feet and the carpet area is 3200 square feet. And this is the staircase. We are going to the second floor. The second floor has 3 rooms with 2 attached toilets and 1 common toilet. So it is under construction. The plastering work is going on, and this is the room, first room, and this is the common attached toilet with the room. That is 1 more room. The construction is going on, and that is the third room. So this doesn't have an attached toilet. This is the only room which doesn't have an attached toilet, but it is a quite airy, quite spacious room with good views outside as well. So this is overlooking the back side of the project. Now let's go outside to the terrace. So this is the room which is under construction, is going on, plastering work is going on right now. So now let's go to the top floor. That is from where we came, and this we are going to the third floor, so that you can get a clear view from the top floor of all the units. So this is the top floor. So this is the view from the top floor. There are totally 9 units and only one is left for sale. So I'll show you the main road from here. So this is the project which is going on. There are total 9 units and that one is for sale. So that one is for sale. As construction is going on, we didn't go inside of that one. So I just showed you a model triplex. So this is the view from the top floor. It's a very, very beautiful view, very prime location and very prime construction. So that is the main road. That is the main road. As you can see, the bus and the cars are going on, and this is the side road from the project. So this is the project, and it is like 1.5 kilometers from Infosys, 1 kilometer from KIMS, that is the St. Xavier's International School, just opposite of St. Xavier's International School. This is 15 kilometers from Cuttack High Court and 15 kilometers from airport, and 7.5 kilometers from Jaidev Vihar. So if you guys are interested, you can give us a call on the number displayed on your screen, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.